The crypto market is very bullish at the moment, and now things look like they are about to get a lot better for Shiba Inu. So if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or you hold any SHIB tokens, then you can't afford to miss this video. So what is the latest Shiba Inu coin news, and how will all of this affect the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the price boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 19th of October, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 1,914 units. SHIB's price is up 5% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $768 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $10.9 billion, ranking it as the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now, let's get into today's video. Shiba Inu appreciates its developers for transforming SHIB to a utility token. Shiba Inu's ecosystem team takes a moment to appreciate its developers for transforming SHIB into a utility token. The team also invited members of its community to recognize and celebrate Shiba Inu's developers for their remarkable contributions. Devs transformed SHIB from meme coin to utility token. Furthermore, the team attached a meme to the tweet demonstrating how the developers have addressed the claim that Shiba Inu is just a meme coin. Notably, it highlighted some key projects within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, indicating that Shiba Inu is no longer a meme coin. They include Shiba Inu's Layer 2 blockchain Shibarium, shibaswap decentralized exchange, the Web3 game Shiba Eternity, and the ecosystem mobile game agent Shiboshi. Other projects featured in the list include Shiba Inu's metaverse project SHIB, the metaverse, the cryptocurrency's media outlet the SHIB Daily, and SHIB name service. The community thanks top devs Shitoshi Kusama and Calderia. Following the call, several community members took to the comment section to thank Shiba Inu's developers for their immense contributions to transforming the cryptocurrency into a utility token. Some users specifically mentioned the names of top developers like Shitoshi Kusama and Calderia, as well as other developers working behind the scenes to make Shiba Inu great. Shiba Inu transitioned from a meme coin to a utility token. It is common knowledge that Shiba Inu launched as a meme coin in August 2020. However, this changed a couple of months after the token launched. At the time, the team introduced its white paper, disclosing plans to introduce multiple projects that could transform the cryptocurrency into a utility token. Currently, most of these projects, such as SHIB, the metaverse, an L3 privacy blockchain, and SHIB marketplace, are still being developed. Nonetheless, others, including shibaswap and shibarium, have already gone live and are fully operational. The success of Shiba Inu can be attributed to the relentless efforts of its vibrant developers. Hence, Shiba Inu's ecosystem team believes they deserve to be appreciated for their remarkable contributions. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. But keep watching to find out the latest Shiba Inu updates and what the future could hold for the Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu torches 11 million SHIB as burn rate jumps 367%. Shiba Inu, the dog-themed cryptocurrency, has recorded a 367% jump in burn rate, sending over 11.5 million SHIB to dead wallets. According to Shibarium's update, the burn occurred only in 2 transactions. Shiba Inu community efforts and SHIB supply overview. Within the last 24 hours, the community incinerated a total of 11.69 SHIB to control the circulating supply. The first transaction saw 3.27 SHIB incinerated, and a second transaction occurred hours later. The second, more than twice the first, saw 8.4 million SHIB sent to a dead wallet, completing the day's transaction. As it stands, Shiba Inu's total supply is 589 trillion, with the circulating supply at 583 trillion. Meanwhile, 5.7 trillion SHIB have been staked, with the burned shib coming in at 410 trillion shib. The current burn rate signals the community's commitment to boosting deflation in the ecosystem and stabilizing prices. Additionally, it indicates positive market sentiment overall on the asset, especially from holders. Now it's time for the main story of today's video. Expert says Shiba Inu support trend line indicates huge pump as resistance nears breakout. According to a recent chart shared by market analyst Jack, SHIB is forming a solid ascending support trend line that indicates bullish momentum is building up. The support trend line has been tracking higher lows, showing that buyers are steadily driving the price upwards. Shiba Inu looks set for breakout. After a long consolidation phase between June and August, SHIB saw a massive upward push in September, briefly testing the resistance zone around 2,100 units. The price pulled back after encountering resistance in early October, but has quickly rebounded as it followed the ascending support trend line. The price action is currently approaching an important resistance zone between 2,000 units and 2,100 units. SHIB has tested this resistance multiple times, but the price has yet to break through. However, Jack suggests SHIB is on the verge of breaking out above this level. Once SHIB manages to surpass this zone, the chart indicates a sharp upward movement. A breakout could see SHIB rally to 2,700 units, a gain of over 40% from current levels. SHIB's immediate price levels. Meanwhile, SHIB's immediate price levels show that the coin is currently trading near 1,933 units. Over the last few weeks, SHIB has shown a steady trend of higher lows, confirming the presence of buying interest and market confidence. The price has formed a symmetrical triangle, with the current pattern suggesting that Shiba Inu is gearing up for a breakout above 2,000 units. This symmetrical triangle pattern often indicates a continuation of the trend, as a breakout could lead to a sharp price rally. The chart also highlights indicators that point to growing bullish pressure. SHIB is currently trading just below the upper Bollinger Band at 1,934 units, and any decisive movement above this level could catalyze a breakout, resulting in a breach of the symmetrical triangle. However, on the flip side, the immediate support rests at the 20-day moving average at 1,763 units, providing a safety net in case of a minor pullback. Meanwhile, the relative strength index stands at 63.96, indicating that SHIB is approaching overbought territory. However, the RSI has room to grow before signaling extreme overbought conditions.
Things get completely out of control. While the chart is still red, it is a pure distraction. The on-chain data tells completely different things. BlackRock, Coinbase, and behind the scenes. Moves that will be discussed in this video might change your perspective on Shiba Inu entirely. But what am I talking about? And why should you be excited? Well, let me explain. Shiba Inu has taken another dip in its price over the past 24 hours. It is quite noteworthy that this marks the third consecutive day of struggles for Shiba Inu's value. Interestingly, the primary reason behind Shiba Inu's decline isn't directly related to Shiba Inu itself or its development team. Instead, it is the ever-influential Bitcoin that is at play. Given Shiba Inu's tendency to closely follow Bitcoin's price trajectory, any shifts in the world of Bitcoin tend to have a significant impact on Shiba Inu's value. We won't dive deep into the intricacies of Bitcoin's movements today, as there's a lot of pressing Shiba Inu news to cover. However, it's worth noting that today, BlackRock has seen another absence of Bitcoin inflows for the third consecutive day. Meanwhile, Grayscale appears to be actively offloading its Bitcoin holdings, and it's actually super crazy and surprising. Right after the Bitcoin ETF approval in the United States, BlackRock saw more than 70 days of inflow streak. And now, when it first saw zero inflows 2 days ago, people were shocked and panicked. But if that panic was huge, can you imagine what panic is now, as it is the third day in a row of zero inflows? Investors might be hitting the panic button, selling off assets and anxiously monitoring the market, fearing further downturns, losing confidence in the entire crypto market. It is very strange, and a lot of investors are now speculating what is going on. Because this is not something common for BlackRock, as we can see with its 70-day inflow streak. While one day of zero inflows might make some sense somehow, BlackRock is still a very strong investor. Though still, the reason behind that is unknown. But 3 days of zero inflows? This really makes us think that something is wrong. The number 0 is what's interesting. This is not an inflow, and not an outflow, but 0, which is something that makes us scratching our heads why. So, what could be the reasons behind this anomaly? Well, it could be due to various factors such as institutional investors reallocating their funds, regulatory uncertainty, or perhaps a strategic move by BlackRock itself. However, with it being precise, it makes us think that this is not investors, but some move from BlackRock instead. It really doesn't look like natural human behavior to stay precisely at 0. Typically, there's some fluctuation, even if it's slight, either positive or negative. But to remain at 0 for 3 consecutive days seems intentional, suggesting a deliberate action from BlackRock, rather than a result of investors' natural behavior. But without concrete information, it's all speculation at this point. But anyway, this is the reason why. Bitcoin keeps dumping for the 3rd day in a row, pulling Shiba Inu and the entire crypto market along with it. However, Shiba Inu's price is still up 41% within the weekly time frame, as we might remember. Shiba Inu price soared 53% rally between April 19 and April 22 after the team's $12 million fundraise announcement got Shiba Inu off to a positive start. With the last 3 days, Shiba Inu has retraced 10% towards, cutting its weekly gains to 41%. But interestingly, recent trends observed in the derivatives markets suggest that bulls are still on the prowl for more gains. And if bulls are still on the prowl for more gains, that is all that matters. Short-time fluctuations, especially if they are not because of Shiba Inu itself, but the broad crypto space, don't matter that much. Think of it like this. If you're on a road trip and you hit a few bumps along the way due to traffic or road conditions, it doesn't change your destination or the overall success of your trip. Similarly, if the broader market is down and the broader crypto market experiences fluctuations due to factors outside of Shiba Inu's control, it doesn't change the long-term potential of Shiba Inu as long as the underlying demand and bullish sentiment remain intact. Looking beyond the Shiba Inu's 10% price correction in the last 3 days, the broader meme coin markets have been on a tear this week. In a bid to front-run Shiba Inu's next recovery phase, speculative traders have been mounting new futures contracts at a disproportionate rate compared to the price trend. This is very important. Shiba Inu's price is expected to bounce back, as it indicates that despite short-term setbacks, there's significant optimism and confidence in the potential for Shiba Inu's price to bounce back. When traders are actively engaging in futures contracts, it suggests they're betting on a bullish future for Shiba Inu. This increased activity can further fuel positive sentiment and potentially drive the price upward in the near term. And here's something you should understand. CoinGlass Open Interest Metric monitors the total value of active futures contracts for a specific currency asset. At the beginning of the week, Shiba Inu's open interest was at $51 million. However, the latest data reveals a significant increase, with Shiba Inu open interest climbing by $23 million since April 19th, reaching $75 million as of now. Notably, this marks a robust 45% growth in Shiba Inu open interest within the weekly time frame, surpassing the 41% price growth of Shiba Inu. When open interest surpasses price growth, it reflects a strong trend in Shiba Inu's open interest. The trend is a strong bullish sentiment among speculative traders. Firstly, a surge in open interest indicates increasing participation and interest from traders, showcasing their confidence in the asset's future price potential. This surge in trading activity can contribute to higher liquidity and trading volumes, thereby supporting upward price movements. Secondly, when open interest grows at a faster rate than prices, it suggests that traders are accumulating long positions or implementing hedging strategies, anticipating further price appreciation. Therefore, this substantial $23 million increase in Shiba Inu open interest could serve as a precursor to another upward movement, potentially pushing Shiba Inu towards the 403 price milestone in the near future. But now you might wonder, why is there such growing excitement among Shiba Inu investors? Well, it was just revealed that Shibarium, which is one of the most important elements of Shiba Inu, is set to undergo a hard fork. Now, for those who might not be familiar with Shiba Inu is a trading platform that is used to trade in the market. In the case of Shibarium, this hard fork is aimed at improving the experience of the community and developers. According to the notification, the upcoming technical advancement for Shibarium will be a transformative upgrade that brings to life a variety of functionalities, specifically intended to improve user experience and further empower innovators. And realizing that Shibarium's hard fork adds credibility to investment prospects, it shifts the focus from pure speculation to solid groundwork, providing reassurance to investors and attracting those seeking substance over hype. Further confirmation comes from a recent post by early Bitcoin advocate Da Vinci Jeremy, who drew the public's attention to Shiba Inu, hinting that Shiba Inu is about to experience something significant. And notably, Satoshi Kusama reacted with a cryptic response with an image. According to Kusama's response, the lady in the image gestured in agreement with Jeremy's speculation about Shiba Inu. This suggests that Kusama is confident of an imminent rally for the canine-themed token. Diving further, we'll find that an eye-opening $1.50 trillion tokens are moving within a 24-hour period on the Shiba Inu network. These large transfers are crucial for traders to note, as they could indicate upcoming price movements. Among these transfers are significant amounts, such as one noticeable transaction moving to Shiba Inu, approximately $1.36 million, directed toward an unidentified recipient from what appears to be a private wallet. Another notable movement is from a Coinbase hot wallet, with over 106 billion Shiba Inu, equating to around $2.65 million, likely an internal transfer, or preparation for a volatility surge, which is what we are looking for. And preparation for an upcoming volatility surge fits perfectly with what we've discussed in this video and the potential for an upcoming Shiba Inu price surge. One thing we need to address is the Bitcoin dumping due to zero inflows with BlackRock, but investors believe this issue should be resolved very soon. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section. This really helps the channel. Thank you for watching. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.